Hello friends. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to @Karog765 and hit the bell icon so you never miss our new classic car and truck videos. Today, we're talking about a true icon of American pickup history, the 1986 Chevy K10 Silverado. This model was part of Chevrolet's famous CK series, and the K stood for four-wheel drive versions. The Silverado was the top trim level of its time, offering more comfort, style, and refinement compared to the base models. The 1986 K10 Silverado showcased the legendary square body design of the 1970s and 80s. A wide chrome grille, bold bumpers, rectangular headlights, and clean, straight body lines gave it a strong, purposeful look. Buyers could choose between short bed and long bed versions, depending on whether they wanted a work-focused truck or more of a versatile everyday driver. Under the hood, the 1986 K10 came with multiple engine options. The most popular was the 5.7-liter V8, 350 cubic inches, producing around 165 to 210 horsepower and plenty of torque for towing and off-road use. Other options included a 4.3-liter V6 and a 6.2-liter diesel V8. Transmission choices were either a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic, paired with a part-time 4WD system that featured both high and low gear ranges for different terrain. The suspension setup was tough and simple, leaf springs at both the front and rear. This gave the K10 a strong payload and towing capability, though the ride was firm compared to modern trucks. The braking system used front discs and rear drums, which was standard for the era and provided reliable stopping power. Inside, the Silverado trim offered a big step up from the base models. You'd find padded seats, full carpeting, simulated wood grain trim on the dashboard, and better sound insulation. Air conditioning, AM/FM radios, and power windows were available, luxuries that made the K10 more than just a workhorse. It was a truck you could enjoy driving daily. On the used market today, the 1986 K10 Silverado is still highly sought after by collectors and classic truck fans. But if you're buying one, there are a few things to check carefully. Rust is the biggest concern. Inspect the frame, cab corners, and wheel arches. Check the engine and transmission for leaks, unusual noises, or wear. Make sure the 4WD system engages properly in both high and low ranges. One of the K10's biggest advantages is its durability and ease of repair. Replacement parts are still widely available in the US, and there's a huge aftermarket for upgrades. Some owners restore them to factory condition, while others transform them into off-road beasts with lift kits, oversized all-terrain tires, and even modern engine swaps. In short, the 1986 Chevy K10 Silverado is a truck that blends power, classic style, and reliability. Whether you use it as a rugged work truck or for weekend cruising, it remains a memorable piece of American automotive history. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to @Karog765, and comment below with the next classic truck or car you'd like us to cover.